In the last hour, Fox News has confirmed that Michael Cohen is suing the Trump Organization. And according to these court records, Cohen said they failed to reimburse him for legal fees and costs that arose from his work for the Trumps that is now the subject of ongoing investigations. Separately, Republicans charged that Cohen likely perjured himself during last week's public testimony after Cohen's lawyer, Lanny Davis, confirmed he did explore a pardon after the FBI raided Cohen's New York offices and apartment in April 2018. This is what Cohen said under oath last week.
My testimony certainly does not diminish the pain that I have caused my family and my friends. Nothing can do that. And I have never asked for, nor would I accept, a pardon from President Trump.
President's legal team today is highlighting what they describe as inconsistencies, pointing to the statement from Cohen's attorney Lanny Davis that reads in part, quote, prior to Michael Cohen's decision to leave the Joint Defense Group and tell the truth on July 2nd, 2018, Michael was open to the ongoing dangling of a possible pardon by Trump representatives privately and in the media. During that time period, he directed his attorney to explore possibilities of a pardon. We're also learning new information today about documents Michael Cohen provided House investigators yesterday about his congressional testimony involving a 2016 Moscow real estate project. The records that include edits by the president's legal team show that the original date in the original draft by Cohen was in fact January 2016, and that appears to undercut allegations that the president's lawyers made key changes to alter the timeline. As you know, Melissa, Cohen acknowledged in a guilty plea last year that he misled lawmakers, saying he abandoned the project in January 2016 when, in fact, the talks continued for months later as Mr. Trump campaigned for the presidency. Here's what Cohen had to say about that.
Mr. Trump's personal lawyers reviewed and edited my statement to Congress about the timing of the Moscow Tower negotiations before I gave it. So to be clear, Mr. Trump knew of and directed the Trump-Moscow negotiations throughout the campaign and lied about it.
And there are new questions this morning about contact between Congressman Adam Schiff's staff and Cohen. Sources tell Fox News there were at least 4 meetings totaling 12 hours before the public hearing, and House Republican is now questioning whether logistical planning in fact crossed the line into coaching Cohen's testimony. Melissa.